We have to solve question number 23. You see that question say that you have a cylinder whose height is 2.8 centimeter and whose diameter, total diameter given 4.2 centimeter. This implies that radius equals to what? 4.2 divided by 2. This equals to what? 2.1 centimeter. Question say that we have a conical cavity of the same height, same diameter is hollowed out. We have to hollow out a conical cavity of the same height and same. See that? Like that, we have to hollow out a.
Sir, it will touch that.
It will not touch like that. See that? This, suppose this is your. Suppose this is your conical activity. It has the same height. You see that we have to mention whenever you have to hollow out like that. Suppose this is your cone. We have to hollow out. This is from any cylinder like that. See that? This is your cylinder. You have to hollow out this one. You see that whenever you have to hollow out, so some material we have to move outside. That means you see that from this you have to calculate the curved surface area 2 pi RH. You have to calculate the curved surface area 2 pi RH. See that? And this one remains. This cylinder is hollowed out.
Yes, sir.
2 pi RH plus pi r square. Only one circle we have. Plus pi r square. This area remains or not?
Yes, sir.
This area remains. You see that one question I will tell that. Find the total surface area of the remaining side. What question I have to ask? Find the total surface area of the remaining side. Solid. So total surface area, whenever you have to hollow out, you see that in cylinder we have a space of the cone. It means whenever we have to calculate the total surface area, we have to calculate the surface area of the cylinder. It means 2 pi RH we have to calculate it. After that, it is hollowed out. It means there at the upper part there is a circle of the same diameter and same radius. It means same diameter or same radius.
So followed there no circle, huh?
One circle is upper base, na? Lower base there are no. There is one circle is present here.
Lower base.
Lower base. You see that? So 2 pi RH plus pi r square and plus pi RL. Because whenever you have to hollow out in solid cylinder, we have a cone or not. It means we have a space also in this solid. Suppose this is your solid cylinder. This is your solid cylinder. We have to start hollow it. Whenever you have to hollow it, so we have to hollow a cone from it. Whenever you have to hollow it, there is a gapping or in the cylinder or not.
Yes, sir.
There is a gapping or cylinder or not. So this circle is the same 4.2. It means this will be cancelled out. There are no any material present. It means you have to remove this circle. Okay. It means remains part is the curved surface area of cylinder plus this circle. 2 pi RH plus pi r square. But whenever you have to hollow out, so in cylinder we have a space or not, which is the cone, and surface area of the cone is pi r. It means this is the total surface area of this figure. This we have to calculate it. Got it the idea or not? Anyone have any doubt? We have to hollow out a cone. Now question I tell that what is the total surface area of this cylinder. So surface area of this, it means curved surface area of cylinder plus surface area of this circle and curved surface area of the cone inside. Okay. Now you see that given things are. See that given height of cylinder equals to what? 2.8 centimeter. Radius of cylinder equals to what? 2.1 centimeter. Clear? Anyone have any problem? Question I tell that the height of the cylinder and height of the cone are the which cone we have to hollow in it, both have the same height. It means height of cone. Height of cone equals to what? 2.1 centimeter and both have the same radius 2.8 and both have the same radius. It means radius of the cone is radius of cone equals to what? 2.1 centimeter. Therefore, you have to mention, therefore TSA of figure equal to what? Curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder
plus surface area of circle.
plus surface area of base. Surface area
of circle.
of base of cylinder. It means this is the circular. Base of the cylinder is what? Circle. Surface area base of cylinder. Plus inside. Whenever you have to hollow out, we have space in inside or not, and this inside space is a cone. Then plus curved surface area of cone. Till here, anyone have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Aditi, curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder. Pussy, curved surface 2 pi. Curved surface area of cone. Pussy, pi RL. And Mukul,
Yes, sir.
surface area of base. Base is
Why, yes, sir?
pi r square. Base is a circle. It means surface area of base is pi r square. You have to put the value and calculate with it.
So, to common out
If you want, then you have to common out pi.
pi r. R.
Pi and r both you have to common out.
Yes, sir.
So
2h.
that remains value is 2h plus r plus l. We have to calculate here l. Value of l is Riya. Slant height l. How we have to calculate? Whenever we have to height of the cone given and radius of the cone given, then how we have to calculate the slant height? L. Under root r square plus h square. This implies that l equals to under root r square. It means 2.1 whole square. 2.1 whole square plus h square 2.8 whole square. 2.1 whole square 4.41 plus 2.8 whole square 24 square 576. I think 700 something will become
28.
Sir.
576.
for 24 square. 28 square you have to check. Okay, we have to calculate these values. You see that 2
784.
value of pi is 22 by 7 you have to mention. Value of r 2.1 we have to mention like 21 by 10. Anyone have any doubt? Value of r you have to mention 21 by 10. This is the reason 7 3 are 21. Okay, 2h 2.8 into 2 50 is 28 2 is 56. It means 5.6 plus r 2.1 plus l. Value of l 28 square is 784. 7.84. This total value 12.225. This is the square of 35 square. This is the square of 35. It means 3.5 square. It means you see that value of l we have to calculate it 3.5 because 35 square equals to what? 125. This implies that plus value of l is 3.5. Clear? Anyone have any problem? You see that how in easy way to calculate our solution. 7 3 ja 21, 22 3 ja 66, 66 divided by 10. It means 6.6 into, you have to add these value. 5.6 plus 2.1, 7.7 plus 3.5, 12.1. You see that? 5.6, listen to me. 5.6 plus 2.1, 7.7 plus 3.5, 11.2. It means 6.6 into 11.2 centimeter square. Multiply these by you all have to multiply these by 73.92. In this question, anyone have any doubt? So just question. Repeat. After question number 23, you have to solve question number 24. Question number 24 says like previous question, but here question have asked about the volume. What question have asked? About the volume. Question say that from a solid cylinder of height 14 centimeter and base diameter 7 centimeter given. You see that this is the 14 centimeter given height of the cylinder and base radius given 7. It means 7 by 2 is the radius. R equals to what? 7 by 2 centimeter. After the question say that two equal conical holes, each of radius 2.1 centimeter and height 4 centimeter are cut off. Suppose we have to cut off two conical part from this cylinder like that. First one is like that and second one is like that. Suppose we have to cut it two conical part from this cylinder, whose height is given h equals to what given 6 centimeter given and radius given h equals to 4 given and each of radius 2.1 centimeter given. R equals to given 2.1 centimeter and height given 4 centimeter. Anyone have any problem? You see that first you have to calculate the total volume of the cylinder. First you have to calculate the total volume of the solid cylinder. After that you see that these two cones are of the equal volume because not visible. Okay. It is blurred. What question we get from this cylinder? We had to hollow out two cones. You see that the base radius and height of these two cones are equal. It means their volume are also equal. If base radius and height of these two cones are equal, it means their volume are also equal. It means if from cylindrical volume we have to remove this volume, it means we have to find the material volume or not, or remains part volume. Question about that, what is the remains part volume? So first we have to calculate the total volume of the solid cylinder. After that we have to calculate one cone's volume, and you see that both cones have the same height and same radius. Then multiplied by 2 and subtract from volume of the cylinder. Anyone have any doubt in this question? Now we have to solve the question. First we have to mention the given thing. Question number 24, given value of given height of cylinder. One I have to mention h. Height of cylinder equals to what? 14 centimeter and radius. Don't mention 3.5. If you have to mention 7 by 2, it is easy for you. 3.5. If you are interested, then you have also mention 3.5. Okay. After that, we have to calculate the volume. Therefore, volume of cylinder. What is the volume? Formula. Riya. Volume of cylinder. Pi r square h. Shekhar, it is right. Okay. Pi r square h. You see that value of pi you have to mention 22 by 7. Value of r 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height 14. Any problem? 7 and 7 cancel out. 2 11 ja 22. 2 7 ja 14. Remains value 7 7 ja 49. 49 into 11. 539 centimeter cube. In this type of the calculation, you see that directly you have to multiply 11 into 50. What? 550. But you see that only you have to multiply 49 times. It means one value to remains out. Remains value is the 559. 11 into 49 you have to calculate it. Then you have to multiply 11 into 50. 11 5 is 55. It means 550 will become. But you have to require only 49 times. It means one value to remove. It means one time 11 you have to remove. The remains value is the 539. You have to use this type of the calculation also. Wait. After that, we have to calculate the volume of cone.
Two cones.
Height of cone given
4.
height of cone equals to 4 centimeter. Height of cone given 4 centimeter. Radius
2.1.
21 by 10. 2.1 or 21 by 10. Till here anyone have any problem?
No, sir.
Now volume of cone. Volume of cone equals to what? What is the volume of cone?
1 by 3.
1 by third part of the volume of the cylinder. It is 1 by 3 of pi r square h 1/3 pi value 22/7 r square 21/10 into 21/10 into value of h 4. Okay, 3 7 ja 21, 7 and 7 cancel out. 22 4 ja 22 4 ja 44, 88, 22 4 ja 88 into 2.1 divided by 10. 88 into 2.1.
8.8 into 2.1.
88 into 2.1. Therefore, you have to mention
20.
30, 36.96 divided by 10. But how to 36.96? 18.48. It means 18.48. Okay. Therefore, remains volume. What have you calculated? Therefore, remains volume. Remains volume equals to what? Yes, beta. 2.1. I have to multiply 2. Remains volume. You have to calculate here one cylinder, one volume. Whenever you have to calculate the remains volume, how many cone we have? 2. It means you have to remove 2 times half this volume. It means remains volume equals to what? Volume of cylinder minus volume of 2 cones. Volume of 2 same cone utilization. Volume of 2 same cone equals to what? Volume this volume is the 539 minus volume of 2 same cone. One cone volume is 18.48. Therefore, two cone volume is the 36.96. 36.96. Anyone have any doubt here? Remains volume 502.04 centimeter cube. Anyone have any doubt?